This is an introduction to price controls. A price control is when government will manipulate prices, either artificially inflate prices or artificially reduce prices. This causes disequilibriums in the market and also causes inefficiency, or reduces allocative efficiency in the market. And there are two types. There are price floors and there are price ceilings. In kindergarten, you were taught that up is the ceiling and down is the floor. Simple. In economics, it doesn't work that way. In economics, above what we would call equilibrium is our price floor. Below equilibrium is going to be the price ceiling. A price floor is when the government creates minimum prices, the legal lowest price of a good. This creates surplus, and the most famous example would be minimum wage. So if we create a price floor, it is above equilibrium. So if I create, this is going to be my price floor. I now have my quantity demanded and my quantity supplied. At the price of the price floor, there is no equilibrium. We have a quantity demanded, which is less than our quantity supplied. So what we create here is a surplus. Now, a price floor is not the same thing as a surplus. A price floor creates a surplus. A price floor is this legal lowest limit. Now, any supplier could charge above the price floor, but you cannot charge anywhere below the price floor. It is the legal lowest price. Now, a price ceiling is government-imposed price maximum, the legal maximum price for a good. This creates shortages. An example would be apartment rent prices. So if I place my price ceiling below equilibrium, here is my quantity supplied, which is going to be less than my quantity demanded. And what I've created here is a shortage. That means that although here is the equilibrium in the market, the most efficient point in our graph and in the market, the government steps in and creates a price ceiling. Now this creates a benefit to those who can rent apartments. So chances are if you're renting an apartment or will rent an apartment, you will benefit because you're going to pay a lower price than what the market allows, that's most efficient, that equilibrium point. However, there may be people who go without apartments because there's more quantity demanded than there is quantity supplied. So it does create that shortage and that problem in the market. There's some major problems with price controls. The market is more inefficient because of price controls. Either we create a surplus, which is a problem, it's less efficient, or we create a shortage, which again is inefficient. And a lot of times the government is slow to change the level of the price control, which again can make the market less efficient.